Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. How is everybody doing today? I hope that y'all are doing great. Today we are talking about gripes and gratitude and grace. Because doesn't it always come back to grace? It is okay to have gripes. Absolutely, it is okay to have gripes. It needs to be balanced with gratitude. We just went through a gratitude challenge on the group. Our group is Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group over on Facebook, and the link will be down below to come on over and join us on there. And it is just a dementia support group for folks that are taking care of people with dementia. And we talked about gratitude. Of course, we were coming into Thanksgiving. I'll date this video, but anyway, we were coming into Thanksgiving 2021, and we did the 12 days of Thanksgiving, and we did a gratitude prompt for each day. And I encourage you to keep a gratitude journal, but I also encourage you to keep a gripe journal. And I think it's important to keep them, and I think it's important to keep them separate. And this is why. You will survive this. There will be an end to your dementia caregiving. It's inevitable. And it matters how you survive it. It matters how you come through this. It matters to you, your person, yourself. It matters to your family. It matters to generations to come. And I think it's important to keep a gratitude journal for yourself, so that you can look back and document the moments that you had together with your person that were maybe funny or poignant, that were meaningful, that were telling. And it's equally important to have a gripe journal where you write down the days that you are just so frustrated you don't know what else to do, that you're at the end of your rope and you need a place to vent that. I talk about the kettle and how you boil the water, and you know, if you once you boil the water and it has to let out that steam somewhere. That's what I do in a gripe journal, is I just say what I'm so frustrated about, what everything is just not, you know, that feeling. You know, when you really cannot put it into words, and it's just like you know. So those feelings go into the gripe journal, and it's separate from the gratitude journal, because in the gratitude journal you're not painting a rosy picture. I mean, you're documenting what really is happening, but in the gripe journal you are too. But I think it's important to keep it separate, because when you go back later and read your gripe journal, you know, you might find things that, you know, you want to reaffirm about yourself or research about yourself and say, why did that bother me so bad? Why did I let that thing bother me so bad? So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here today and talk about keeping a journal and the importance of keeping separate journals, and so that when you go back, you can look at the nice memories and relive the nice times and the times that were very, very important to you, without it being sullied by the times when you were just and you know that you could have, you know, maybe, you know, you could have behaved better, you could have handled it better or whatever. That's what we get in the group when people come on and they say, y'all, oh, I just blew it. I was not the calmest person in the room. I'll link that video. I did not practice patience. I did not give grace. And I'm just frustrated about it. That's when you put that in the gripe journal, you know, but that's not the best version of yourself, and it's not the best version of your situation. That's where the gratitude journal comes in. So I guess I'm rambling, but y'all know me, and I just love y'all, and I love what you do for your people with dementia. Sometimes it is a role that is absolutely thrust upon you, you know, with no warning, no heads up, no nothing. and you have to deal with the emotions in some way. And we know that writing our emotions, good and bad, is a way to vent, to blow off steam. It's what it's for, and it's a magnificent tool, and I think that we all should be using 2 journals, gripe and gratitude. And that way, when you look back and you read both of those journals, you can see where there was grace, where you can say, I gave grace to my person, I gave grace to myself. Or you need to look at your gripe journal and say, I need to give myself a little grace, because in the heat of the moment, we react and not respond. When we're reading back over those journals, we will be responding to what we read. So anyway, I love y'all. I hope that this video has been helpful. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you keep a journal. And if you don't have a group of people that are supporting you, please come on over to the group. The link is right down here somewhere. That is the Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group on Facebook. And subscribe to this channel. It's free to subscribe. I know most times subscriptions cost something, but we're on YouTube, and YouTube is free. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and you will have access to all the archives, and you'll be able to know about all of the new videos that are coming out, okay? I love you. I see you. I know you. I hear you. And I want to respect and honor you in this season of your life. Anything that I can do to help, please put it down below. Any suggestions, if you need a video on something that we don't already have a video on, if you have a question, if you have a concern, put it right down below, and we'll get you some help, okay? All right. I love y'all. Bye.